By the end of this video, you will know how to record an interest charge in Clio Manage. If you're already logged in to Clio Manage, begin from the main workspace and look to the left navigation menu. Click Settings to open the area where account-wide options are managed. From there, go to the Clio Settings section and select Billing. This opens the billing configuration page, where payment rules and related options are stored. Once you are in billing, open the Payment Profiles tab. Payment profiles control how charges, due dates, and interest settings are applied. So this is where you need to make the change. In the list of available profiles, find the payment profile you want to use for the interest charge. Make sure you select the correct profile before continuing, since the settings you update here will apply anywhere that profile is assigned. When you have found it, click Edit. Inside the Profile settings, select Custom Payment Terms. This allows you to define terms that go beyond the default billing setup for that profile. After that, locate the Annual Interest section. In this field, enter the interest percentage you want to charge. Use the percentage that matches your billing policy, since this value will be part of how Clio Manage calculates interest on future bills connected to this payment profile. Next, choose the available interest calculation method. For example, you may see Simple as an option. Select the method you want to use, then enter how often the interest should be charged in the days field. This timing setting determines the interval Clio uses when applying the interest terms. Review both the percentage and the charging interval before saving, so the profile reflects the terms you intend to use. When those settings are in place, click Update Profile to save the changes. At this point, the payment profile includes the interest settings, but the profile still needs to be tied to the correct client for those terms to be used in billing. Assign this payment profile to the appropriate client in Clio Manage. Once it is assigned, Clio will use these terms when calculating applicable interest on future bills for that client. One detail to keep in mind is that changes to a payment profile do not affect bills that have already been generated. The updated interest terms apply going forward, not retroactively. If you are checking why an older bill does not reflect the new interest settings, that is the reason. Thanks for watching. The interest settings are now saved in the payment profile and assigned for use on future bills in Clio Manage.